Well, guys, I'm starting some more vlogs with how to cook, and this is some coals just being started on the grill. I'm going to get ready to cook some chicken here in a little bit, so enjoy. Love you. George in the Kitchen, Honey Badger Creations. Holla back. Peace. Hey guys, George in the Kitchen, quarantine cooking. Got the grill, charcoal grill heating up. Gonna go over a few basics on how to barbecue COVID-19, Corona, cooking, what have you. But we're gonna come out with a few episodes and hope you guys enjoy. Love you. Like, subscribe, share. This is a brand new charcoal grill. Just getting it broke in. What I'm about to do is treat this the heat will destroy whatever is gonna be on there, but what I'm gonna do is treat this grate with some oil spray, coconut oil spray to be exact. But just give you an example, treat this brand new grill, and so it don't stick, so the meat doesn't stick. All right, it's another tidbit. Peace. Okay, here we go. Spraying the grill, just getting it nice and oiled up so the meat won't stick. And we're gonna let that sit right there. What we're gonna do is barbecue some chicken later on. Just getting everything set up. Showing what the coals look like. When the coals look like the ones on the bottom, they have a nice little ash on them, and they're ready for cooking. But while they're still black and not ashy, you know, this is the good time where you don't want to use lotion on stuff that's ashy, but you want that nice ash to keep everything heated up to whatever degree, and we'll be back with you. Here we have our chicken that's been marinating overnight with some seasoning. Got a little garlic right there, garlic. You got some bay leaf in there, just trying out something new. You got white vinegar, because my grandpa used to cook with vinegar and do the mop over his chicken, but I decided to let it soak in there overnight. Got some star anise and some other basic seasoning. I always want to have your salt, pepper, and I got some barbecue seasoning right here. You can see, I'm not gonna give the name of it because they're not paying me for this. Then you got your other seasoning that you can use, like a seasoned salt. But I also put some bay leaves in there just to give you a little something on how to season up your food. SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic is the basics. All right. Okay, now that the coals are nice and hot, I spread them out a little bit. Okay, for you vegetarian vegans out there, I got some seasoned cabbage and cauliflower. I'm gonna put it on the grill first before I put the chicken, and we'll let you know how it turns out. But let's space it out here on the grill so we can get a nice and toasty seasoning going on. Got a little grapeseed oil on there in order to keep from sticking. And also, grapeseed oil is said to carry heat better, or won't get messed up when you put it on high heat. I just put it like that. Don't get too technical. But we'll let you know how it turns out. Barbecue cabbage on the grill. All right. Bye-bye. See, what we've done here is got some nice like little grill marks on the cabbage and cauliflower. What I'm going to do is take it out before everything falls through the grill because of the grate size is too big. And I'm going to finish it off in the oven. But just to kind of get you to know, barbecue cabbage and cauliflower. All right. Okay, what I've got now is I got the chicken. And as you can see, the inner side, I guess, or the inside of the thigh, the back, legs, breasts, wings has been placed down first in order for it to start cooking. What I'm going to do is open up this vent a little bit so it can get a little heat going, but I don't have it open too much. I got a slight crack so it can breathe. And I got the side vent open a little bit, you can see right there, so it can breathe. And what we're going to do is just let that sit in there and do its thing. As the time goes by, I'm going to come back and sop it up and season it up a little bit more. But George in the kitchen. All right, holla back.